Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Beauty by Mari with 2 eyes, and I hope you guys are having a great day and a great week and a great holiday as well with your family and friends. Today I bring you guys this amazing look, and if you are interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm back with my messy hair, and we're gonna go ahead and pick up the BH Cosmetic palette, and we're gonna go ahead and then we're gonna go in with a light brown color, and we're gonna pick that up with the Morphe M504 brush, and we're gonna go ahead and start blending that color again from the outer V all the way to the center of our eyes. Sorry guys, my mistake. I actually picked up the color with the Morphe M303 brush. So just go ahead and keep on blending that color and pick it up a few times and blend until you get a really nice seamless blend throughout the whole lid. This is what you guys are looking for, and now we're gonna go ahead and pick up a dark brown with the same M303 brush, and we're gonna go ahead and start blending that color again from the outer V towards the center of the lid. Again, using the same Morphe M303 brush, we're going to go ahead and pick up this really nice maroon cranberry color, and we're going to go ahead and start blending that in again from the outer V towards the inner center of our lid, all over the lid. So after you've blended for a while, this is what you guys are looking for. Now we're going to go ahead and go in with a dark black color, and we're going to go ahead and pick that up with a crease with a deluxe brush from Younique. We're going to go ahead and blend that dark color, that black color, from the outer V to the center. You just want to make the V area just a little bit darker so there can be some depth in your eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and pick up the Morphe M505 brush and just go ahead and start blending the black just a little. So this is what you are looking for, just a nice blend between all the colors. Now I'm going to go ahead and pick up a winged liner from Sigma, and I'm going to pick up that Tarte concealer, and we're just going to go ahead and just line, just make a little line on top of the eye. So now we're gonna go ahead and create that line. It's just gonna be a line between like the inner corner, the teardrop of our eyes, almost all the way to the outer V. Just be very careful when you do this step, because once you do the line, you can't really go back and change it. So just be careful when you do this. So we're gonna go ahead and go with the Self-Made palette from Anastasia Beverley Hills, and we're gonna pick up that really nice pinky glittery color, and it's called Blossom. Now I'm going to go in with a cream shadow brush from Younique, and we're just going to pick up our Cranberry maroon color, and we're just going to try to make the line just a little bit smaller, or thinner, I should say. Now I'm going to go ahead and pick up the Morphe M505 brush. We're going to pick up that black color, and we're just going to start blending in the outer V just to make that black color stand out just a little bit more. Now we're going to go ahead and pick up a MAC pigment glittery pink color, and it is in the color A15 or Christmas. And then we're gonna go ahead and pick that up with the wing liner from Sigma again, and we're just gonna make that line just a tad bit brighter. I do not know what I'm sticking to, but we're gonna go ahead and pick up that Morphe M505 brush, and we're just gonna blend that black just a little bit more to make it more intense, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I put my face on and everything, and this is the final look. Let me go ahead and give you guys a little close-up. So there you have it. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys like this cute little look that I did. And I hope you guys are having a great holiday with your family. And I hope you enjoyed spending time with me. And don't forget to subscribe and like. And let me know what else you guys want me to create for you guys, okay? Bye.